If we try to do full breakdown for Bitcoin, based on what we have seen and also what we'll see on the next sessions. So right here we have talked before about this Y model. And we have seen also how we scale it. We don't just put the high with the high right here blindly. We have reference points. We study from the low in the opposite direction. So we have this curve. It's the same curve right here. And this is how we'll scale the model. And when we scale the model, what we can see at this level right here, we are expecting that the price will go to break this down. So this is first confirmation. And we can put right here a Y model. Okay, we still didn't see this, but we can put it also in mind. Right here, this is an equal low structure, or which we call exactly the self-similarity map. When we take a copy of this movement, we put it outside of the chart here, and we'll try to figure out the self-similarity. So right here, we have push to the upside, we have push to the upside. We got equal highs, drop to the downside, drop to the downside. And then we have this push to the upside and higher high, this triangle right here. So it was the same triangle right here. So what we expect that the price will go down. To break what exactly? To break this low, which is the same low here, which is a confirmation or an additional confirmation for the Y model. We go to the daily chart. We still also didn't see this model. We see it on the next session. It's L into direction. We'll take copy of this movement. And we'll see also how we'll scale it. We scale it on the previous retracement that comes directly before the model. Okay, approximately like this. Okay, the high with the high, the low with the low, didn't scale it perfectly. So right here, let's scale it perfectly. It's better. Okay, the high with the high, the low with the low. So what we see right here, we see that at the end, focus very well right here. We have a higher high, a small breakout with a higher high, and then we expect the reversal. So it was the same thing that was developed right here. This triangle with the higher high, this triangle with a higher high. And we expect the reverse. For this one, we have an extended, of course, take a profit, which is catastrophic, but we expect the breakout of this low based on the L into direction. Now we have Y model equal low, L into direction. And what Mr. Adam has identified with others, right here we have at the end a rescaled fractal. we take a copy of the Rescaled, which is, as Mr. Adam has described it, a reversed L. Right here, there is a problem. Now, when we focus on this copy, the key was right here. We have higher high, we have a higher high, push to the downside, push to the downside, and then we got the rest. It will be the same here. So let's try to follow the self-similarity step by step. We have right here a higher high. It's the same higher high right here. We have a lower low. It was the same lower low right here. Even this particular shape, this curve at the end, it was the same curve right here at the end. Then we get strong push to the upside. Then we got strong push to the upside. At the level of this high, there was a small breakout right here. So it was the small breakout between this high and this high, okay? This high breaks this high. It was the same right here. And we got this accumulation or this reversal right here, or retracement. And then we got pushed to the upside. So it was smaller. Yeah. So we got this triangle. We got this triangle. And then we got the bigger one. Then we got the bigger one. And right here we got this. And right here we got this. So now the price break these highs. For self-similarity, is it clear? I can move on, right?
Yes.
Okay, so right here we have the breakout of these highs on the left chart now. Means that the price is going to break this high and then this, and the low of the Rescaled, which is also confirm what we have seen on the L into direction, that the price is going to break this low. So right here, this copy matches, this low match, this retracement right here matches. Everything is the same, self-similarity, scaling. So we expect that the price will break this low, which is a little bit insane, but this is the analysis. Is it clear?
That's great analysis, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
it's clear.
Is it Bitcoin or is it a strong dollar?
I don't know. This is what I have located. I'm not trading Bitcoin, but we can go further. We can find others. We have a Y model inside the scale. They have equal load. So always, it's not important where you will start the analysis. From wherever you start the analysis, there will be a fractal. But how you will scale it, how you will trade it, this is the problem. But we can also find other fractals if we just take a little bit of time. So, sorry. We have it into direction, equal low, Y model, or scaled. And you can see the synchronization between the models. For example, this equal low model right here confirms the breakout of this low by the Y model. The L into direction right here confirms the breakout of this low based on also confirmation with the rescaled fractal. So this is the idea. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So if
Yes,
you're
sir.
looking,
It's not good if you're holding Bitcoin.
right, that's what I was going to say is if this happens, of course, if we break out of that rescaled fractal area and we're going back to those,
Yeah, especially if we break out the 74 level, it becomes become 100% certain about the breakout of 15K on Bitcoin.
You mean
The
the
same.
breakdown?
Mhm.
Sorry. I said you mean the breakdown to 15K and Bitcoin if it goes to 74?
Yeah, especially now it's confirmed. It's confirmed based on the rescaled. But if we especially go and break the 74K, the breakout of the 15K will be 100%.